Okay, so I've been taping down here, and I did all the flats, and I did all of the angles, and I just wanted to show you that flat right there that goes across there. That was fiberglass mesh tape that was on the ceiling. So is this one, this seam here, all the way through. That seam over there, all the way through and through, fiberglass mesh. And I missed this one right here. If you can see that, I even marked it, but I missed taping it. But I saw it when I put in the angles, so I'm going to come back and tape that. So I've got all of the flats and all the angles done on this half of the basement. I've got all of the flats done on this half of the basement now. They're all done too. And all of the broken fiberglass mesh tape taped over here. And I just have to put the angles in over here, and then I can start topping. Wow, it's a lot of work here. I thought I'd be a lot farther along than I am right now. So I'll get back to it. I'll show you some other stuff when I get it done. Hey, I'm still back down in this basement. It's not going as easy as I thought it would be. There's just a lot of extra stuff that I'm having to do here. It's like, you see this extra seam? Had they just made this drywall a little bit wider, it would have eliminated one of these seams, but they didn't know they didn't know. Honestly, they didn't. And truthfully, I was down here before they even hung that drywall, and I didn't see these cracks. I mean, I've got a crack here, and then I have a seam here where they put this new drywall in, and I never saw that crack either. So it's just a lot of extra taping. I came down here, I wasn't here yesterday, but I came here the day before yesterday, and I taped this and I did all my handwork and everything else, but I'm in here to try to box it out now, but there's so much to do. I'm only going to 10 box it today. I'm going to throw some fans down here, dry it up the best I can, and then I'm going to try to get it crossed off and all ready to skim by the end of the day tomorrow. All right? So I'll keep you posted. You have a good day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.